Oh, my mouth starts watering when I think about Shahi Paneer recipe. And today we are going to make Shahi Paneer Masala. And I have taken a single spoon, same size spoon. And what is the measurement? I'll tell you. I am making Shahi Paneer for 3 kgs. Coriander, you can take 3 tablespoons. That is Dhania. Cumin, Jeera, 2 to 2.5 tablespoons. Black pepper, that is KaliMirch, 1 tablespoon. Cardamom, that is green elachi, 5 to 6. Star anise, Chakra, 2 to 3. Long pepper, pipal, 2 to 3. Nutmeg, Jaffal, 1 or 2. Clove is Laung, 6 to 7. And black cardamom, that is Moti elachi, 3 to 4. Mixed spice, that is Javitri, 1 to 2. Indian bay leaves, that is patta, 5 to 6. Red chilli, Lal Mirchi, 5 to 6. Fennel, saunf, half. So all these we are taking, and some more we are taking which have not to be roasted. They are dried fenugreek, kasuri methi, 2 to 3. Sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Corn flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Cinnamon powder, Dalchini, 1 tablespoon. And haldi, turmeric, 1 tablespoon. And remember, haldi has not to be taken in more quantities because we are making Shahi Paneer. Ginger powder, adrak, 1 or 2 tablespoons. And onion powder, garlic and tomato powder are optional, but you can take 3 to 4 tablespoons of onion powder if you have, and half tablespoon of garlic, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato powder. So now I'm going to keep the kadai or utensils on the gas, and I'm going to heat the falling spices, or I can tell we can heat here the coriander, cumin, black pepper and cardamom, star anise, long pepper, nutmeg, clove, black cardamom, mixed spice, Indian bay leaves, and red chilli and fennel. Just add them and put on the gas, and just we have to heat them for 2 minutes. See, I have added, and when we are taking the red chilli, please remove the crown or head of the red chilli. So after that we can do one thing. Just keep them for heating and just keep on stirring is very important. And when you are stirring, take care that they don't get burned, and let them give their aroma only for 2 minutes. Then later you can take the powdered sugar, corn flour, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, ginger powder, and you can take onion, garlic and tomato powder if you have in a separate bowl, and just keep them ready. Now spices have been heated for 2 minutes. Just take them and put them in the mixer jar. And one important point, don't add salt in this mixture because the salt will make the mixture moist and it would be very difficult for you to store. And here on the other side, the leftover kadai, when the gas is over, you can just take green fenugreek seeds and just heat them and pour them in the mixer, and just you can rotate the mixer grinder for about 1 or 2 minutes and it will become a fine powder. Just see, and this fine powder you can pour in the bowl of the mixture and your powder is ready. That is Shahi Paneer Masala powder, and it is very yummy. And thank you for watching the video, my friends, and you can like my video.